Hi, it's Lisa at Wild Eye Embroidery. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to do the fishbone stitch, and you'll see it used a lot for filling in areas such as leaves and even feathers. And essentially it's a series of straight stitches which are slightly slanted and they overlap in the middle, and that creates a spine down the centre, hence why it's called fishbone stitch. So make sure you have a straight line drawn from top to bottom before you start. And we'll start at the very top. So for your first stitch, come down a wee bit more than you would normally do. So I would say 2 or 3 stitch lengths and straight into the centre line. And then it doesn't matter what side you start. I prefer to go left, but you can start from the left to the right, whatever you want. So we're going to go just to the left here of your centre stitch and come up right on your pattern edge. Now your next stitch is going to be to the right of that first stitch and slightly down. Now for your next stitch we go back over to the opposite side, and this time we go right beside this but over to the left of the centre. And once again we'll go back up to the left side and to the right, and again stand right below your last stitch and making sure you are to the right of your centre line. And you just keep crisscrossing. And one more to finish off. And make sure you cross your last one at the very end as well. At the end of the video, it would be brilliant if you click the like button and please subscribe to my channel so that you can see my latest videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.